In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use another kind of pronoun. A pronoun that ends with the word self or selves is called a reflective pronoun. It comes after the verb, and we use it to talk about the same person as the noun or pronoun in the subject. So if you see our chart up here, we have myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. They all end with either the word self or selves. Sentence number 1 says, I dress myself. I is the subject of the sentence, which is the part of the sentence that tells the who or the what. And this word myself, we're going to circle it. The pronoun myself is like an object pronoun. It comes after the verb, but we use it to show that the person we're talking about is the same person as the subject. So I'm going to draw an arrow back here to the word I. Let's look at sentence 2. Mom gets herself ready for work. I'm going to underline the word mom because that's the subject in our sentence. So now let's think about which word in the sentence is a pronoun that tells who mom is getting ready. You're right, mom is getting herself ready. So again, boys and girls, I'm going to draw that arrow back to mom because it is referring to mom. Okay? So when the pronoun goes back to the subject and the pronoun are telling about the same person. When the subject is only one female, like in this sentence, mom, we use herself as the reflective pronoun. So let's do number 3. Dad sings to himself in the shower. Dad is the subject of the sentence. And who is Dad singing to? Dad is singing to himself. And we know that he's referring back to himself. So we're going to draw that arrow. Oops, sorry, guys. Having a hard time here. Thank you. Number 4. The twins find themselves breakfast. The subject is the twins, and the reflective pronoun is themselves. And we can see that we're using a plural reflective pronoun because twins is also plural. It means more than one. Number 5, the toast pops up by itself. What's the subject? The toast. And the reflective pronoun is itself because itself is referring to the toast. And number 6, we prepare ourselves for the day. The subject is we. And who are we preparing? We're preparing ourselves. So again, boys and girls, we're going to draw that arrow back to we because we know that it's referring to the same person. So just like an object pronoun, a reflexive pronoun, usually comes after a verb. It can come right after the verb or after a word such as to, by, at, or for. Okay, so now, boys and girls, we're going to go to this page and we're going to look at this one. This time, you're going to read a story that's missing some pronouns. So we're going to see if we can fill in the reflexive pronouns to complete this little story. We have breakfast. I get blank cereal. My sister makes blank toast. Mom and Dad pour blank coffee. Then Dad mutters to blank, I can't find my glasses. You should look at blank in the mirror, Mom says. Your glasses are on your face. So let's see. We have breakfast. I get, we're going to use myself because I and myself are talking about the same person. My sister makes herself toast. Mom and Dad, so now we know we need a plural reflexive pronoun. Pour themselves coffee. Then Dad mutters to himself, because Dad is talking to himself, he's talking to him, I can't find my glasses. You should look at yourself in the mirror, Mom says. Your glasses are on your face. So, boys and girls, today you learned about reflexive pronouns. And that a pronoun that ends with the word self or selves is called a reflexive pronoun.